Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. So obviously if you've tuned in to watch this video today, you are interested in finding out how to start your own YouTube channel. And I've started mine quite some time ago, but I was not actively using it. I actually just created it, and only recently I've started posting videos, and I'm really working towards building my YouTube channel. So this is why I decided to share with you guys what I've learned on this journey, because I've been doing a lot of searching and tips and tricks and things that works for me. So I've actually decided to do like a type of series or episode just focusing on how to create your own YouTube channel. So this is the purpose of this video, to help other people out there, other newbies out there who want to consider this as an option. Before we get started, please take a second to subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell button as well, the notification button, just to get notifications when I do load new videos, because I'll be doing a series on YouTube. So I'm 15, like I said, I never actively use it. Even though I just posted some videos, I never even told anyone about it, to be honest, because I kind of felt shy. I didn't really have confidence in myself. So even though you want to start a channel, you kind of want people that don't know you to see the videos, because you were kind of afraid of the people that know you to see the videos. And particularly where I'm from, I'm South African. A lot of South Africans don't see content creators or influencers and those sort of things as a reality, as a actual viable option to be making a living from, that sort of thing. So you don't quite believe, or even blogging. I quite enjoy like journaling and blogging and that sort of thing, but I never actively pursued it because it was never something that was seen as a real thing, basically. So I never told anyone about my channel, and that is why it never grew. It was like so small that I had like so few subscribers, because you know, that's the thing, you need to have confidence in yourself, so much so that you're willing to tell everyone that you know, and they need to spread the word, basically. And it starts there. So that's the second thing, you need to have internet access. And secondly, you need to make sure that you're ready to let people know, because people's going to find out in any case that you have a channel, you understand? So if you share it with the people that you know, and I know it's difficult when you have people in your life that don't necessarily believe in what you do, or believe that you can do what you want to do. I'm not saying that was my case. I just personally had my own issues as to why I didn't want to let people know that knew me. I'm over that now, and I'm spreading the word. But initially, if you want to start a channel, you need to be prepared for that to happen. So you might as well be the first one to get the word out there and to tell everyone that you know that you've started a channel. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to start your YouTube channel is internet. Okay, so obviously you're going to be creating videos and content. You need to upload that to the internet, and for that you will need internet, and also to monitor your channel you need internet access, right? Second thing, you will need a laptop or a computer. Okay, whichever one you have, it needs to have internet access as well. It's just easier to do things on a laptop. Okay, third thing would be a good camera. So you don't need to necessarily start out buying yourself a camera. You can actually use a phone. If you have a phone with a very good camera, you're welcome to start out like that, because I mean, initially not everyone has cameras, like actual digital cameras, that sort of thing. If you have one, awesome, use that. Otherwise, if your cell phone has a good camera, if not, you need to go and get yourself one, because your images need to be clear. So you don't want something where it's not clear, or the quality looks bad, you understand? So you want good quality, and for that okay, so you need a clear quality, and for that you're going to need either a good phone or a good camera. So go out there, invest in a good camera or a phone with a very good camera option, right? Because quality is key. With YouTubing, people are not going to watch quality where they can't see the images or it's blurry. So you need to have something that preferably can do HD as well. So that's all to do with your internet and that sort of thing, right? Next is lighting, very important. This video at the moment, I have very good lighting in my bedroom, so this is why I'm here right now. I do, however, have a ring light. I've actually made a video for my fellow South Africans. If you're interested in purchasing your own ring light, you can check out my video. I do have a video, I'll put it up here. You can check out that video because lighting is very important as well. If you have awesome daylight or in your home, if this is a place where there's very good lighting, then shoot there. Okay, so at the moment it's daytime and I just love the way this lighting looks. So I didn't put my ring light on, but I can put it on, and this is why I would suggest that you invest in lighting. Otherwise you can't film at night. There's times I get a brilliant idea at night, or I just want to shoot something quickly, then I can use my light and it doesn't make a difference. So if you don't have a light, you only basically can shoot during the day. And you know, what if it's winter and the lighting is not good because it's dark? And do you understand what I'm saying? And usually house lights don't really help in terms of filming, so you need extra lighting. So I would suggest, if you want to start a YouTube channel, to improve the quality of your videos, invest, besides a good camera, invest in lighting as well, right? The next thing, you're going to need a place to record, a quiet place to record. Okay, so I have a 1-year-old daughter, so my house is not quiet during the day. I am home with her. I am, however, in my bedroom. She's watching television inside. She gets us only like one session during the day to watch television, so I actually am so excited to make this video. So I decided to film now, because usually I would wait in the evenings to film when she's calmed down or when her dad's here to watch after her. But I've decided to film now, so I'm quite brave about it, right? So a quiet place in your home to film, so that people are not distracted by other sounds that is not supposed to be in your video, which is not always easy, but you need that. Okay, the next is the editing tool. So even in this video, I'm going to cut out the parts with these interruptions that need to be taken out, right? And for that I need an editing tool. You do get a lot of free ones, you can check it out. I'll actually make a video for you guys and I'll link it in this video below for you guys to check out some of the free options to edit your videos. And then the last thing is obviously a Google account. I should have mentioned that first. You need a Google account to create your YouTube channel, and obviously another thing, a very good name for your channel. If you can get a good name, if you want to use your own name, you can, but then you need to really get your name out there. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, guys, and if you have any questions or comments, please do comment in the comment section below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It should be on this side. I hope it's on this corner. And then also, guys, please do let me know any suggestions on what other videos you'd like to see. And as I've mentioned, please do check out the other videos. I think they'll be over here regarding the YouTube channel and how to grow that channel. So this is how to start one, and the next one will be how to grow one. Thank you so much for watching, guys.